I'm headed to Nashville to a training lab with my friend and student Jacob, and this is our last day of training, so I think that Jacob's definitely homesick, ready to go home, get back to where he's from, and he's had a good experience so far, and it's been exciting. If you guys want to learn about his experience, I'm going to provide a video probably sometime tomorrow with him explaining the experience and how he's felt, because I will be offering more training for more students. So I'm pretty excited. I enjoyed this process, really learned a lot myself. Stay tuned, because there is a giveaway here in like 3 days. So if you're not already a member, please join and you'll be a part of that giveaway. Just comment on my last live video. It's going to be exciting. Let me know if you got questions. I'm here to help. I've got quite a drive. I'll probably do a 30-minute live video this morning and try to answer any questions you guys have. Christian, can I come work for you? Depends. Where are you at? Are you in Tennessee? Are you near where I'm at? Or are you in a different country? If you're in a different country, I don't know if you can come work for me. If you're in the States and you're near Tennessee, then maybe we can work something out. If you want to come get some training, I'm offering training now. So you can come to where I'm at. I can set you up in an Airbnb and you can spend 5 days of training with me. I'll be offering 5 days of training. If you want longer than that, then it'll have to be 5 days during the week, you know, maybe 2 weeks if you need 2 weeks, depending on what your specific needs are for the training. For Jacob, we've learned 80%, 90% gas furnaces. We've learned how to work on heat pumps, air conditioners, and today we're going to cover mini splits. So it is going to be exciting. Anyways, hope you're healthy and happy. Hope you got a big day planned. Hope you're going to make some progress with whatever you're working on. And I hope that you're going to make yourself better than you were yesterday. So, oh, looks like that person's getting pulled over. Yep, he's pulling that person over. It looks like they're not pulling over, though. He's flashing his lights. They must not see him. Yep, there they go. He must have been speeding in this area. You cannot go over the speed limit.
Okay.
What's up?
He's pulling him over?
No, he just pulled the guy over behind us. Christian, New Jersey, but I'll definitely be interested in something like that. Where can I contact you? Christian's from New Jersey. That's awesome, man. Glad you're here on the live. That's cool. I would say to contact me, just click the join button, level 1 membership. It's $2. Let me know when you join. After the video, just comment, say, hey, I joined, and I'll give you my email, Christian. We'll contact each other back and forth. If you want my phone number, level 4 membership, I'll give you my phone number. We'll get on a phone call, and I'll try to help you, okay? Randy, is it normal for some digital thermostats to click twice on a call for heating or cooling? Yes, it is. Thermostats that will click twice, and it's like a click click or a click click, but most of them it's just one click. So, but that is normal. Yes, sir. If you're watching the live video, please hit the like button. There are 13 people watching. If all of you hit the like button, YouTube's going to show this video to more people. I have the opportunity to help other people, so that's why I do these videos. By the way, I want to talk about something for a moment. For everybody that offers their advice on my comments, I really appreciate that. Some of you are able to change my perspective and give me a better understanding of what I could have done. I did a video recently about replacing a plug for a customer on a gas furnace. If you saw that video, normally we hardwire and we put a switch or a disconnect. But I was doing that as a temporary fix. Why? Because we replaced that furnace the following week. I knew we were going to replace it. But there were a lot of people that were commenting, just saying how it was wrong, but never offering advice. Please understand, we all have the same amount of time every day. You know, the difference is what we do with it. And if I watch a video and I can offer somebody advice, I'm going to do it, because we can be helpful or hurtful, and we need to be as helpful as we possibly can. So that's my advice for everybody. I love you guys. I really appreciate what you've done for me. I really appreciate all the comments, the questions that have led to all the content. I really appreciate all that content that's now, you know, members only, that can help people to be able to scale their business or learn sales or learn geothermal or learn how to size mini splits, equipment, price it, all that stuff. You guys are great. Chris Watkins, Tad, what's up, Chris? Hey, I'm going to give you a call, Chris, in the next week. I got your call the other day and had to ignore it. So, but I love you and I appreciate you, and I'd love to see you, my brother. Yeah, I also need to talk to you about the thing that you gave me the other day. I'm good, Chris. I'm excellent, man. I've got a guy, and I got a friend with me, and my first student, Jacob. He's from New York, Queens, New York. Flew all the way down here because he's about to be very busy with his business, and like really just stacking on the work, building his business, getting lots of customers. So I'm excited for him. Tar Heel Aerials. Hey, how are you doing today, brother? I'm doing great. I hope you're healthy and happy. First time here, glad you're here. I've got a bunch of content for homeowners and technicians. If you guys need help, I'm here to help every day. I work about 12 hours every day, and in that time, I'm all over the place. But today, I'm going to Nashville, Tennessee. Anybody here in the chat been to Nashville, Tennessee? Let me know. Let me know. You still drinking that, or are you done with it?
I'm still drinking it.
Oh, so you don't like it?
It's not as good.
Yeah, you don't like it. Okay. I'm glad, brother. Got it. Chris, how are you, brother?
Maybe you should tell them about the trading now.
Okay, yeah.
Not yet.
I haven't closed it. Closed the deal. I wish. Well, I've already sent the message. That's how we got the approval to come to work. So, and he thought it was a cool idea too.
Yeah.
Texas Tech TI in the house. From Texas, my brother. Chris says, I'm good. I'm good. I'm just kidding. I'm good. That's awesome, man. Tech TI, hope you're healthy and happy, brother. Tar Heel Aerials, I'm just trying to learn about heat pumps, gas furnaces, etc. I think I came to the right place, mate. Yes, sir. Yeah, if you want to learn about gas furnaces, I got a video called Gas Heat Training. You can check that out. I just did that within the last few weeks. And then I did another one called Gas Heat Maintenance. Both of those videos together should teach you everything you need to know as far as sequences of operation, what happens first, next, and then last. And then goes over different scenarios, like if this is doing this, this is what you need to check, this could be the problem. Chris, how's your guy liking it down south? Man, Jacob, actually, he likes it. He thinks that people are really nice compared to where he's from. Exceptionally nice. It's quicker to get different things, but he's realized that in the smaller towns, the quality of like the food is not as good, and you know, so it's been interesting. It's been interesting. It's a lot quieter out here, a lot more slow paced, a lot less to do, but still it's more peaceful, I think, because of that. Michael, thank you for joining, brother. Appreciate the join. Message, comment, giveaway, and I'll put you in the next giveaway. Sal, what up from San Antonio, Texas, brother? Michael Martinez, glad you're here, my friend. Trying to learn how to repair ductless systems. Michael, I've got a bunch of videos on repairing ductless systems. In fact, I may take and like separate everything into a separate playlist, but I've got how to replace a motor on a mini split, how to replace the indoor motor, the outdoor motor, how to replace an inverter board, how to, there's a bunch of different videos. You should check out my playlist, HVAC Tips for Technicians. And that should help you, okay? I've also got a bunch of training guides. I can send those to you. Just click the join button. ask for my email. I'll give you my email and I'll send you all my guides, like how to size mini splits, all my troubleshooting guides for mini splits. Tech TI, just wire the reverser valve to the contactor and put a screw in it. Reset and roll out. Gotcha. All right, deal, man. Oh, I know. Just joking. Don't do that. Yeah, you got to be careful what you tell people, man. On the internet, they'll try it, especially if they're a homeowner. They'll be out there wiring something up. That's funny. If you guys don't know about the giveaway coming up in about 3 days, if you're a member, this month I'm giving away $100 cash, a Depths Tech inspection camera, and I'm giving away a 90-degree tubing bender kit. So I'll ship that to whoever wins this month. Next month, I'm giving away a pure AC product. And then I'm going to give away next month a thermal imaging camera. So it's a pretty expensive thermal imaging camera. It's really nice, man. Really nice. Michael upgraded membership to HVAC training videos. Michael, enjoy those training videos, brother. You're now a level 3 member. Definitely comment, let me know, and I'll give you my email and send you my airflow and duct design guide, my geothermal training guide, and all of my other guides. And then now you can see about 20 videos, and there's a bunch of them, and they're really going to be able to increase your level. And if you're a business owner and you want to increase your customer base, you want to learn how to get more customers, price equipment, size equipment, do duct work, all those videos are on there for you, brother. Have you ever heard of a Miller heat pump? Yep, it's in a double wide home. Yeah, I've heard of a Miller. Tech TI, you ever taken a supermarket call yet, Tad? Nope, never taken a supermarket call, never worked on anything like that. Never had the pleasure to. I'd like to. I'd love to, actually. I mean, that'd be cool. So, but the only thing I work on here is I definitely work on trailer splits. We got a lot of trailers here. I work on gas furnaces, 80-90%. I work on heat pumps, air conditioners. I work on just a few boilers, very few. And then I work on geothermal. We got a few geothermal systems out here. And mini splits, lots of mini splits. So that's what I work on. Have you ever had a supermarket call, Tech TI? Let me know. Also, if you guys have any information as far as what content you want to see, comment below. Let me know what content you want to see, and I'll put it in my schedule next week. Probably not this week, but next week I'm going to start back and start doing a lot of content, okay?
Can you give me a call back in about
Yazid Perez, hi. When it comes to AC electronic circuit boards, would you repair or replace? Would I repair or replace? I'm going to say I would definitely replace it.
Yeah, I would say that.
But we have repaired it. Who's that? Luke from House Call?
Luke from Pay to Pay.
All right, just tell him 10 minutes. Tell him
10 minutes?
Tell him I'm on a live video.
All right, 45 minutes.
All right, yeah, I want you to get that call. So, yeah, that's important. So, sorry to do that. But, yeah, for electronic control boards, listen, sometimes you can find where the plugs that plug into the board on the back, the solder is separated. You can actually get a soldering gun and you can solder those connections and actually repair control boards. We've done that for carrier control boards, but most of the time we just replace them just because we usually keep the boards in stock, and you know, it's just as much time. But then again, it's up to you, man. It's up to you. You know, whatever, you know, I like to save the customer as much as possible. And I keep that in mind when I'm doing my calls, you know, because that's going to make the customer happy. And if it was my family member, I'd want them to save money. So keep that in mind when you're doing calls, but you also want it to be a long-term fix, not a short-term. And if you don't have the skills to use that soldering iron to where it's going to be just as good as it was brand new, then don't do it. Just replace the board. Is there any other websites or channels on here besides the good channel that you would recommend to learn for beginners like me? Are you talking about other YouTube channels? I mean, I would check out my playlist, HVAC Tips for Technicians. Listen, there's a lot of good HVAC YouTube channels. Ones I would recommend for refrigeration is HVACR. My friend Chris over there is fantastic. For a more in-depth, like really slower, like slow-paced videos, Craig Migliochi with HVAC Service Tech. My brother Brian Orr with HVACR video. HVAC school. Let's see. That's about it, really. I mean, there's a podcast. There's two podcasts that I watch. My brother, DIY HVAC, Dave, he's great. HVAC Know-It-All podcast. The HVAC podcast I was just on. That's a good one. If you guys seen that one was good. That guy's great. That guy is great. I'll post all those down below so you guys can see those if you need that. Yeah, I just got into a company 2 months ago that works on supermarkets. That's going to be excellent, man. That experience is going to be able to give you a really high-paid, skilled job. So, excellent news, Tech TI. Thank you guys for hitting the like button, by the way. There's 9 people watching, but 10 likes. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Hey, Tad, this is a sweet deal. Yes, sir. Only sweet deals around here, brother. You know how Taddy does it. Taddy's got you. Taddy's got you. Yeah, on YouTube. What was Chris' name channel? Oh, it's for refrigeration. It's HVACR, and he is excellent. He's got a great channel. In fact, I'll catch myself watching his videos at the end of the day, just because I don't work on a lot of refrigeration, but I love to see the problems he runs into. And he mainly works on restaurants. So I mean, if you're trying to build a business, one of the best ways for you to get reoccurring business, and the easiest way, right? The easiest way, instead of you going door to door trying to get people signed up for a maintenance, you just go to restaurants. Restaurants have lots of commercial equipment, lots of refrigeration equipment, and residential equipment. So you can go and say, hey, who changes your filters every month? Do you need somebody? I've got filters that I keep in stock. I've got coil cleaner. I can clean all your units once a month. Can I give you a price on that? Are you interested? And then there you go. You get 2 or 3 of those a month. How many do you need, especially if you're a one-man show? You could have enough work just off 3 or 4 of them that, you know, you can just supplement it with just a few residential customers. Tar Heel Aerials, thank you so much for hitting the like button. Appreciate it. Excellent. You guys are awesome. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I hope that you're able to accomplish your goals today. And I hope that you are staying as healthy and happy as you possibly can, all right? Check out the latest videos that I'll be putting out in the next week or so, and let me know what content you want to see. Remember, don't forget to water your plants. And also, I'll keep you cool if you let me.